Alright, so Nate is about to go out there in the bear suit. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be epic. It's about the 10th time we've done this. And we're ready to go. We got Michael here. We got Pizza here. It's going to be sweet. It's a beautiful day out here in Colorado. All these pretty clouds in the sky. That is the bush right out there. That little bush right there. Alright, so Nathan's about to run out there. Alright, so Nathan's getting in place. Wow. Pete, if you want to go pet the bear, you gotta do it now. Or else the cars are gonna build up too much. Go do it, man. Pete, go pet the bear, bro. You got it. You got it, dude. You got it, man. Nice job, bro.
What you did is in violation of the law and common sense. We think you're a first-class asshole.
What you did is a violation of the law and a first-class asshole.
Call someone?
Nah, just.
Was he put up here? I don't know.
Yeah. Someone should go pet it.
You want to volunteer? $5 you pet it out.
$5? Do you have it on you?
It's in my car. You're not actually gonna do it, are you?
Dude, they're more afraid of you than you are of them, is what I hear. So I think you'll be okay.
My $5.
This is awesome.
Yo, dude, there's a lot of cars backed up. Hey, we should do that. We should holler at them.
Go!
Let's go pet it and we'll get out of here.
Look how many people
Dude, this is crazy. This is the first bear I've seen this summer.
Oh man, that's ridiculous.
I don't want to see this.
Oh, he's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Watch out! No. Hey, no. You don't want to be near it. No, you get hurt. Don't do it.
They're more scared. They're more scared of us. Danny, we gotta get out of here. There's too many people. Too many people. Come on, dude.
So this time, Adam is the bear. Come out a little bit more. Turn towards us a little bit. Keep your head down. Already 2 cars. Already 2 cars. I know. You gotta get started. Are you crazy? Hey!
They're not a smart thing to do.
So we got busted. The park ranger that busted us is in a civilian car though, so it's pretty cool. Didn't even get busted by a real ranger, but he's gotta go pick up his dog. There he is. You gotta get gas anyway, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Want me to stay?
Yeah.
Can we put the phone in the car?
Oh, absolutely.